Treated LVL, which is laminated veneer lumber, is an engineered wood that is rated for the outdoors. What makes this LVL so special is that each layer is treated. After each layer has been treated, it is then glued up. Unlike a traditional pressure-treated lumber, which is treated only on the outside, this is treated all the way through, which makes it far more resistant to natural forces like wind, rain, and insects. This LVL comes with a 25-year warranty, it's 30% stronger than traditional wood, and it's less expensive than using steel. Another great feature is it doesn't crown, bow, or twist, which means all joists are perfectly straight. It's being used in this deck project because this LVL can be stained, used for large cantilevers, and no seams. If needed, you can order up to 60-foot lengths. Another plus that makes this LVL better than traditional joists is that it doesn't have wane, meaning there's no imperfections on the edges and it comes in dimensional sizes. This unique product is so superior to traditional joists, it's being used in deck structures, sill plates, exterior columns, and beams, and even more. We at Family Handyman believe you will see a lot more of this product in the future. For more information on this product, visit us at familyhandyman.com.